I go on my car today. Bruh, the f***? So guys, now we're in the Jetta. This literally makes no sense. Now I go start my car this morning to go do the axle and it's completely dead. I have no idea. So I'm gonna try to go get a jump pack, see if that works. And I don't know, this is fucking stupid, man. This car's not starting. Let's give it another go. Look. Oh, it finally started after the like third, fourth try. Got to really rev it up there. Today is just, I don't know what's going on. Start that car because it's dead to move it. It's too cold and rainy and everything to be outside and doing this. Alright, so I'm in this bitch. About to do my axle now after breaking my shoulders pushing the car. So right now I'm doing the driver's side axle, and what you're gonna do first is two 17mm bolts, take off the brake caliper bracket, and you just undo the line just to have more like, you know, play. So guys, as you can see, everything's off. Now I just gotta go underneath and pry it out. Yeah, the fun stuff. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it takes you 10 minutes and spinning. We shall see. The shake weight. Alright guys, we're back at the shop. See, I got the axle positioned. I don't know what the piece is.
It says only one hole found.
Guys, I think I got it slotted in. See, right there. Whoa, 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 whoa. I really like this little GoPro shit. It's so handy. New AutoZone axle, because you know, lifetime warranty shebang in there. Can't afford OEM right now or want to bother to even look in junkyards. I need some quick fast down the street for free. Oh, haha. Look at that little thing right there. I knew, like, I'm like, dude, I swear to God I had something connected to this.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Check engine light gone. Fucking. Cause this shit, I'm gonna break your back. Look at that. Seated. Tighten it up. Do the ball joint. Then you can want to apply some pressure up here instead of lifting. Maybe lift it, then let it rest on this so you could get the fork and bolt in. You just put the caliper back on and the wheel and you're done. Literally, axle is so easy, man. I've done this side, I think this is the third or fourth time, and I've done the right side about 5 or 6 times. This is why I do these type of videos, so you know I could help you guys and you kind of see how easy it is, so don't feel discouraged, because I did too at one point, but done it so many times and I did my clutch job, so I mean nothing seems that hard anymore. Except once you start going in the engine, because that's I don't know anything about all that yet. That's about it, guys. Just tying everything back up, put new cotter pins in, make sure you double check everything's tight, and new cotter pins. Don't reuse your other bullshits. That's about it. I got the axle nut in, make sure that's tight, you know, give it some more ooga doogas and shit and some oomph. Get a 17mm wrench, put it on the opposite side on the bolt. Get an air gun or whatever your pleasure is. Make sure it's forward. More oogie doogies, you know? on there, we good. Make sure when you tighten your axle nut, you always slice down the parts. You know, them safety precautions. Yeah, now I just have to put on my caliper and hopefully that clunking stops. I did my right side axle, it didn't stop. So I decided to do my clutch. You know, do a little upgrade. It didn't stop. And now I'm doing the left side because it really sounds like it's my left axle, so it better stop. That's all I'm saying, you know. I did a whole clutch job thinking, you know, it's the chatter from my clutch. Nah, it's just a free AutoZone axle. It is, it has to be. Trying to keep clean, but you know, they always just tear, so. Line it up. There we go. Top one's in. This GoPro, I feel like it's awesome. And just like, it's nice for vlogging. It's a nice little thing, you know? Two little 10mm bolts for the little brake line bracket. Whoa! Hey, so I got water on my carpets on this side again, and I did it before. Made sure my sunroof vents or drains are cleared out, and they were. It was shooting out through the fender. So honestly, I don't know where it's coming from, so I gotta figure that out. Maybe somewhere here, but that don't even make sense. The pillar's leaking because my windshield, you know, it's starting to unstick. So many problems, guys. I just need to take out some of that water because that's OD.